Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to do a customer spotlight. We had a customer who did a full custom interior for their Camaro. This is something that we offer in pieces. It's something we offer all together. This is technically what we would call like the IROC Z interior upgrade. As if we were around back in the day when GMMG was making cool, supercars, what would we have done? And this would have been our interior package. So this guy has some houndstooth everything. What you're looking at here is door panel inserts for a Camaro. So he'll have the black leather on top, the houndstooth on the bottom where the carpet goes. We sell those separately. We have these in the pair. You just melt your plastic tabs off the back, pull your carpet out, push this back in, melt them back over it. This is clearly our 6LE style seats that have been reupholstered and upgraded with houndstooth, but we also make back matching rear covers. So this will go on his back seats, one for each bucket, and then of course the actual backrest itself. So see, we match the factory stitching in here, using a black leather. We even make sure the carpet matches the year that you have. Let's see here. And then finally we have the seats. So these seats are 6LE style seat. You can see that they have the factory style stitching going all the way to the bottom. I'll show you this side. We include little straps for your seat belts. So you don't have to worry about trying to screw your plastic into this metal bar. You don't have to worry about your seat belt cutting you. This right here just snaps into place, holds your seat belt from cutting your neck. We kept our race harness holes. If you wanted to get rid of these, we can get rid of these for you. This customer wanted to keep them, so you have the option. We also have a harness bar. So if you don't have a full roll cage, you can actually just install our harness bar where your rear seat belts go, and it'll allow you to attach a harness to this. Seats are really cool. Same ones I showed you in the other video. Literally the same ones I showed you in the other video. These just got recovered. Same lever, quick release that you can't see. The point is that's not a knob. It's not cheap. You pull it to lean back, you pull it to go forward. Much nicer than having to rotate a knob, which is in the brake, and also make the seat about 2 inches wider total, so it's much harder to fit it in cars. But that is our finished seat with our seat brackets ready to bolt them right in. And that's pretty much it. I'll flip it around and show you guys close-ups of all the detail work. But this way, if you have sorry to say an older car, but at best your car is 21, 22 years old now. We know a lot of the front seats wear down to the point that you can't really fix them. No one makes foam for them. So we wanted to offer a cheap alternative that would actually upgrade your interior, make it a little nicer, more modern. I still feel like these seats are an upgrade over Trans Am seats, which are an upgrade over Camaro seats. So low budget, but really, 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 really luxurious and nice to ride in. So let me flip it around, show you guys some of the details, and I'll close this video up. So start over here. These are nice houndstooth door panel inserts. Just really set it off as opposed to just having, seats swapped out. Everything looks factory, looks like it was made together. I'll come back to these. These are our rear seat covers. Really nice stitching on these, beautiful parallel lines, all spaced just like factory. These have the little zipper down here, make it much easier for you to install. The buckets, you're gonna wanna use hog rings on here, but any upholstery shop knows how to do that pretty easily. Or you can grab a hog ring plier and some hog rings pretty cheap. But those are your back buckets. So you have the full interior for the back. And then here is our actual seat. So again, it's just the Recaro style that we got rid of the 3 lines that don't match the car. We match this going in and just have a nice looking seat. It's gonna make your car look a lot newer. Again, that's the lever I was talking about. We have our seatbelt guides on there. The back has material covering it as opposed to some fake carbon fiber that looks odd, in my opinion, like other seats. That's it, man. Full package so that you can just upgrade your 1982 to 1992 Camaro or Firebird with a kit that just drops in and you don't have to spend a ton of money at a local upholsterer. You can just order all of this stuff from us and put it in yourself in an afternoon if you want to. Some of the tricks, let's say that you're installing seat covers over a factory seat. Take your cover off, put a garbage bag on top of yours, and that'll help you slide this cover on, and then you can just rip the garbage bag out. Don't have to do that with these, obviously. These are full replacement seats. The back is not that complicated to worry about putting a garbage bag over. Same thing here. But generally, if you were to get a leather kit and try to swap out your front seats, put a garbage bag over them. Makes it easier to slide on there. So that is it. This is the full kit. Again, we offer these separate. We offer these separate in just like a basic black. And then we do any custom upholstery you want to as well right here in North Hollywood. And same thing on the rear seats. We can make covers for the rear seats that match these when they just had the 3 horizontal lines. Looks kind of like an LT1. We've done that before. Or we can go completely custom with whatever you guys want. But this is our full kit going in a car soon. All right, let me turn around and close this video out. All right, sorry for the wham bam, thank you ma'am kind of video. I'm kind of in a rush. We're about to take off for 3 days actually, so I've got about 8 minutes to do all of this. But that is our seat packages that we've been offering, to be honest, since like 2009. It's about 14 years of this style stuff going in cars. This was a really cool customer build that I just want to show you guys. He started off just wanting to do seats, but then decided to do the houndstooth insert. Then we did the rear, then we went in and added the door panels, and these are about to get boxed and shipped out to him. So as soon as he sends some pictures in the car, you know, I'll do another update video, or I'll like post those pictures on Instagram. But I myself had this kit in my 98 Z28. I had these seats in red with the red door panel lower inserts and the red back seats. And man, it just popped. It looks so much nicer at a car show. Just kind of elevated the 4th gen a little bit to a little more modern standards, but driving them was so much more comfortable. I love these seats so much. I've said it a billion times, but I took it across the country 3 times and like no back problems, no kidney problems. Like I absolutely love them. So I just want to show you guys what these guys look like because they're beautiful. I think they look awesome. You see these seats kind of often, but you don't really see them fitting a car. These seats actually match our car pretty well because again, the radiuses kind of match. And then as soon as you just throw in some factory stitching, it looks like a nice like 1LE upgrade that you would get, but for a 4th gen back in the day, for a 3rd gen back in the day. Kind of why we call them the 6LEs. So it's like the 1LE, but it's like 6LE, and I started off as 6-liter eater, which my friends shortened to 6LE because it was just way too much to type. But that's it. Seats are back. We got mounting brackets so you can just drop them in. They come with the sliders. We can do a full custom kit for you if you like. We keep in stock red houndstooth, gray houndstooth, and white houndstooth, but we can also get other colors. We can get suede, we can get Alcantara. Don't recommend Alcantara. It is just a scam for rich people. It does not wear well. It looks like garbage after a while, and people keep convincing themselves that it's great because it's expensive Alcantara. You're better off with a basic suede that you can actually clean. So that's it before I go off on a rant about Alcantara. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these type of videos, seeing what we've been doing for the past 3 decades on these cars, modifying things, putting them in, started back on LS1 Tech. Before there was ever a business, I was just kind of doing my own thing and people liked it, and I would share with them how I did it so they could do it as well. And now we sell stuff, so if you can't get anything done local, we'll get it done for you, and we'll make sure that your car is ready to last another 30 years. So thanks again guys for watching. Drop a comment, let me know what you think of these seats, anything else that you guys want to see, and much appreciation for you guys supporting the channel and the products. Thanks guys.